This home is located at 304 Del Mar Drive in the Villages. List price $369,000. It is located in the village of Del Mar. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home. Feel free to pause the video to read the specification sheet. I will turn the specification sheet over. And this is the showstopper room. This is an added entertainment living area in this home. This room is absolutely huge.
Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Del Mar in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom with a great room and many updates. List price $369,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello and welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's video is an open house video. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home located here in the village of Del Mar in the northern part of the Villages. This home is list priced for $369,000. The roof was replaced in 2024, HVAC in 2015, and the water heater in 2017. I will take a view of the street. The back of this home does face southwest. That is panning south, and that is panning north. You can see this home is on a quiet street. It does have a peekaboo water view. Right there's a retention pond right between those two houses. As I walk up the driveway, you will see the driveway is a concrete driveway. It is in excellent condition. It does have a paint on it as well. This is a block and stucco home with a 2-car garage. You will see once we get inside this home that it has a very large expanded great room inside. As always, friends, if you have any questions about the home, please contact your listing agent, Kristin Wendt, with Realty Executives here in the Villages, Florida. This home does have a very deep setback. It also has new double-hung windows in it as well. It is a block and stucco home. Let's go inside and take a look. As I enter the home in the foyer area, I do notice the beautiful tile floors. It has a bifold raised panel door for your closet as you enter the home. As I turn to my left, I see this large living space. I see the double-hung windows, very large cathedral ceiling with acoustic texture. This home is very, very nice. The list price of this home is $369,000. As I walk into the living space, you do see the kitchen off to the right. That kitchen does have granite countertops, stainless appliances. I do see stereo speakers in the ceiling here as well. Take a closer look at that kitchen and the granite countertops. It does have an electric stove. It has a 2-bowl stainless sink, stainless appliances. Off the kitchen area, you do see the laundry area. The tile floors continue. And this is the showstopper room. This is an added entertainment living area in this home. This room is absolutely huge. This is an awesome entertaining area as well. We will call this the great room. The dimensions of this great room are 21 feet by 25 feet. You can see, friends, that if you want to entertain, this is the home for you. The back of the home does face southwest. Look at all of them windows, sliding patio doors. You do have tiled floors, acoustic textured ceilings. You do have a lanai in the back of this great room. And look at the lanai. You have natural gas range for entertaining in this lanai. This home is absolutely awesome. If you're into entertaining, this is the home for you. This lanai has floor to ceiling screens, very large, very nice. Tile floors are continuing in this great room. The back of this home does face southwest. There is a nature preserve behind this home. I will show you that. That nature preserve will prevent anyone from building behind you. This is the backyard, friends. How nice is this? That is your home. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a very large, great room. Let's see what this says. Looks like you're on a golf course view. You have Hacienda Hills. Hole number 3 in your backyard. That is right behind you there. That is the back of your home. Block and stucco home. List price $369,000. That is your side yard there, friends. I will walk through the rest of this home and show you the rest of the home. Walking back into the lanai area. Back into the great room. Very nice. This home is prime for entertainment. I will walk into the garage. It is a 2-car garage. It looks like it has freshly painted or epoxied floors. Even the garage area, you have a granite countertop, a 1-bowl stainless sink for entertaining. You can even entertain in the garage. This home is awesome if you want to entertain. It has a workspace with pegboard. Even the countertop on the workspace is granite. Very nice home. Neutrally decorated as well. There is a lot of home here to show. For a list price of $369,000, the heated area in this home is 1,860 square feet. Here we have what looks to be a den area. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture. You do have sliding mirrored doors on the closet. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. That is a Murphy bed. I just opened the doors. So this is actually a bedroom with a Murphy bed. It is not a den area. You can use it for both though, actually. Very nice, very light and bright. So that corner of the room is your office space. That is your Murphy bed. I will continue through the rest of this home. That is the kitchen. Here is a bathroom, tile floors, granite countertops, stainless fixture. That tub and shower surround is tile. The shower surround is tile. Very nice. Here we are walking into the primary bedroom, tile floors. There is no carpeting in this home. Very wide base molding. You do see those new double hung windows. This is a vaulted ceiling, acoustic texture. I do see a speaker in that ceiling. We'll spin around. There is a sliding mirrored door on the closet. There's your speaker in the ceiling there. You do have shelves in that closet as well. Tile floors. Here's your primary bathroom. Granite countertops, 2 sinks. Very bright. There is another closet. Sliding mirrored doors. Very light and bright. Here is your shower and commode space right there. That is a tiled shower. It's a very large shower. It appears to be a 48-inch shower. How nice is that? Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. There is a corner seat in that shower. That is your commode space right there, friends. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I will walk through the rest of this home. That is your bedroom with a Murphy bed. Great room on the other side. There's your kitchen area. Raised panel doors. Very good condition, very clean home. This is the entertainment home if you're looking for a lot of space to entertain. New roof. 2015 HVAC, water heater 2017, no carpeting, double hung windows, very awesome. Next I will walk out into the street and I'll give you one last view of the street. I will take a walk to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. There you can see a better view of the retention pond between those two homes. Here we are in the village of Del Mar, in the northern part of the villages. There is your home, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco, designer home with a great room, private backyard, list price $369,900. Actually $369,000 even. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.
This home is located at 304 Del Mar Drive in the Villages. List price $369,000. It is located in the village of Del Mar. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home. Feel free to pause the video to read the specification sheet. I will turn the specification sheet over. There are your room dimensions, friends. Living room is 14 by 25.
Thank you for taking this open home tour with me. Located here in the village of Del Mar, in the Villages, Florida. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home is list priced for $369,000.